How to change Amazon account's password. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide. In today's video, I'll show you how you can change your Amazon account's password. So just make sure to watch this video till the end. If you want to change the password for your Amazon account, first go ahead and then launch the Amazon shopping app. And currently I'm logged into my account. So if I want to change the password from my account, I'll just tap on the profile button over here. And then tap on the profile icon, you'll see all these options. Here you want to select the option that says your account at the top. So just go ahead and tap on the your account button. As soon as you tap on your account, here you have to scroll to the bottom under account settings. You'll find login and security. So just tap on login and the security button. As you do that, right over here you'll find the option that says password. So if you want to change the password, tap on the edit button. Here you have to first enter your current password, which means the password you currently have and the new password that you want to change to, and just tap on the save changes button. Now this is only if you remember your current password, but if you don't remember your current password and you want to reset it, you want to make sure that you at least have access to this specific email address on which your Amazon account is actually associated with. Once you do so, first I'll just try to log out of my account and then I'll show you. So I'll go to settings, I'll tap on the sign out button over here. I'll just sign out, and once I actually sign out, in order to log into my Amazon account and reset my password, I'll just go ahead and come to this page. Here I'll select use a different account for this app, and once I select a different account, it'll basically ask me to log into my other account as well. So let's see what the app has to tell us. So you just need to tap on the add account button if you've added another account, and here you can see sign in. So you can just tap on the email or phone number button over here. Once you tap on the email that you are actually associated with the Amazon account, tap on continue. And as soon as you do that, you can see the button that says forgot password. So just tap on forgot password button over here. It will send an email address or the OTP code to the specific email. You have to go ahead and verify that. It will ask you to reset your password, and that's all it takes to change your password on Amazon, whether or not you remember your old password. We hope the video was really helpful. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you have any more questions, then make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.